Hello friends, welcome to Learners Forum. So this video is about the notifications released by National Fertilizers Limited. So in the official web page of NFL, under career section, click on recruitment in NFL. So here we have got two advertisements. First one is for engagement of management trainees and second is for recruitment of experienced professionals at E1 level. So the registrations are open for both the advertisement. Let us see one by one. First, for management trainees, just by clicking on that, we will have this particular page where we will get all the important dates, and to view the complete advertisement in English, click on this. Let us see the details now. The vacancy regarding the post, level and pay scale and name is given here. First is for management trainee under chemical stream. 56 vacancies are available. For mechanical, 18 vacancies are available. For electrical, 21 vacancies. For instrumentation, 17 vacancies. For chemical lab, 12 vacancies. For civil, 3 vacancies. For fire and safety, 5 vacancies. For information technology, 5. And for materials, 11 vacancies. For HR also, 16 vacancies are available. Regarding the pay, it is given for each training period also. The basic pay, allowances and all the other details are given here. And initially, you will have to execute a service bond for 3 years. Placement is, we will have to serve anywhere in India. Next, the education qualification for management trainee in chemical stream. Minimum and maximum age limit is given, which is 18 and 27. And the required minimum educational qualification is graduation in chemical engineering, chemical technology, chemical process technology with minimum 60% of marks. For mechanical, graduation in mechanical engineering with 60% of marks is required. For electrical engineering or electronics and electrical engineering with minimum 60% of marks. For instrumentation and control, electronics and instrumentation and control, instrumentation and electronics and instrumentation, industrial instrumentation, electronics and communication, electronics and control, electronics and electrical with minimum 60% of marks is required. For chemical lab, it is MSc in chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, physical chemistry, applied chemistry, industrial chemistry with 60% of marks is required. Other branches of chemistry like biochemistry, pharmacy and all will not be eligible. Next, for civil, graduation in civil engineering with 60% of marks is required. For fire and safety, degree in fire and safety, fire and technology and safety with 60% of marks minimum is required. For information technology, degree in computer science engineering or information technology with 60% of marks is required, or full-time MCA is also eligible. Next, for materials, mechanical, material science and technology, material science and engineering with 60% of marks is required. For HR, full-time regular MBA or PG degree or PG diploma degree or integrated MBA is required. Next, the cutoff date, age limit and the education qualifications are given in detail. Regarding the application fees for all the disciplines, 700 plus applicable bank charges has to be paid. So the application procedure is given here in detail. This application registration will be open from June 12th to July 2nd. So to apply for this particular recruitment, we have to go into the official website which is mentioned here. Click on careers, click on recruitment in NFL. Under that, click on engagement of management trainees in NFL. So all these steps we have seen earlier. So once after reading the complete details from the notification, let us check that also. So the first step is candidate registration, which will require an email ID and mobile number, because with complete registration only we will get our ID and password with which we can proceed to fill the application form. While filling the application form, we have to upload all the particulars which is mentioned here. So it requires date of birth proof, that is 10th or 12th mark sheet, which is to be in 2 MB size in PDF format, educational qualification proof, employment proof, identity proof, photograph and signature. Fourth step is preview and submission. In case if you have to make any changes in the application form, we can do it in this stage. And finally, payment of application fee. Regarding the selection procedure, offline OMR based examination will be held for selecting the candidates. The information about the OMR examination is given here. The tentative centers for the particular test is mentioned here. So this test will have two parts. One is discipline related and the other is aptitude related. Medium of test will be in Hindi and English. Duration of test will be for 2 hours and total number of 150 questions will be there with 1 mark for each, out of which 100 questions will be from mix of course curriculum or the qualifying course and 50 questions will be from general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning and general knowledge and awareness. There is no negative marking for wrong answers. The date of test will be intimated through the admit card which can be downloaded from the official website following this particular procedure. So once after the test is done, eligible candidates will be called for personal interview and the selection will be done with 2 rounds, and the weightage for offline OMR based test will be 80% of marks and personal interview will carry 20% of marks. Relaxation, concession and relaxation details are mentioned here for different categories. And finally, general instructions are mentioned here. So before filling in the application, we just have to go through all these things. So going to the official website and click on the career section. So here we have got separate link for each discipline. For example, if you are belonging to chemical, then click on this apply now. So here we have to make the candidate registration first by filling the name, date of birth, mobile number and email ID. After generating OTP and completing this registration with the credentials that we have obtained in our email, we can use that and fill the application form further. Let us see the second notification now. Which is for recruitment of experienced professionals. So click on this English advertisement. So the first notification was for freshers also, and even experienced candidates also can apply. But second is for purely experienced professionals. Let us see the vacancy position now. For engineer under production, 40 vacancies are available. For mechanical, 15 vacancies. For electrical, 12 vacancies. For instrumentation, 11 vacancies. For civil, 1 vacancy. Fire and safety, 3 vacancies. Chemical lab, 9 vacancies. Material officers, 6 vacancies are available. The pay scale and post and code are mentioned here. Regarding the qualification for engineer in production, it requires degree in chemical engineering or chemical technology or chemical process technology with minimum 60% of marks, along with which post qualification of 1 year experience is required in the domain which is mentioned here. Similarly, for mechanical, degree in mechanical with 60% of marks and 1 year experience in the relevant domain is required. For electrical, electrical engineering or electrical and electronics engineering with minimum 60% of marks and 1 year of experience is required. For instrumentation, domains which are all listed here are eligible with 1 year of experience in the corresponding domain which is mentioned here. For civil engineering with minimum 60% of marks and again 1 year of experience is required. For fire and safety, again a graduation with 1 year of experience. Similarly, for chemical lab materials officer, the different disciplines are mentioned here for each post, and all requires just minimum 1 year of post qualification experience in the relevant field. Regarding the work experience, in case if you have done any apprenticeship training program, then that will not be included as a post qualification experience. Pay scale is mentioned here. Regarding the application fee, we have to pay a non-refundable amount of 700 rupees as application fees. An application procedure is similar to the previous advertisement. As we have seen earlier, we have to go into the official website, Careers, Recruitment in NFL, and click on this particular advertisement. And the required documents are mentioned here. So based on the application form and the documents that we have uploaded, selection will be done and candidates meeting the criteria will be shortlisted and called for personal interview. So we don't have any other test like the first notification. Finally, the general instructions are mentioned here. So the last day to apply will be July 1. So in the official website here, for different disciplines, the link is provided separately. For example, if you are belonging to production, just click on this apply now. Here, in case if you have registered already, you can use the email and password and apply. If not, click here for new registration. Here you have to fill in all the basic details that they have asked for. And once after completing this initial registration, using the credentials which we have obtained in our mail, we can use that and fill the application form further. So these are the steps to be followed to apply for the particular recruitment of both the notifications. In case if you have any doubts, you can post it out in the comment section. Thank you so much, friends.